Welcome everyone. So in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can contribute to other projects using Git and GitHub. So suppose there is an open source project, might be from your friend or anyone in the internet, and you want to work on that project. So I'm going to show you how you can do this in Git and also in GitHub. So here it is. Suppose I've created another account and opened it. So it's Kevin17bot. Suppose he has this project, My Flower Garden, where it is the project description. I only name my flowers here, so it means it just tells what the project is about. So I'm gonna go there. Okay, so this is actually from Kevin17bot. It is his account, so I'm just showing you. So this is actually the flowers.txt. He has only a text project where he has some flowers name. So sunflower, lily, rose, chamomile. So okay, that's great. So let's go to my account, our account, which we created, unknown fellow 23. So let's go. So here it is. Suppose you want to have that project from Kevin17bot. So how are you supposed to do that? Suppose you search Kevin17bot. Suppose you know the name. Suppose it's your friend and you want to have that project. Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, yeah. Users, go there. One user's out there, KevinBot. So here it is, Flower Garden. So if you really want to work in this project, what you have to do is, first of all, you have to fork it. This. So first of all, okay, let me just see it. See, exactly the one you saw. So now if you want to work in this, you have to fork it. So forking means creating a replica of this project into your repository. It means in your account there will be exactly a duplicate version of My Flower Garden from Kevin17bot. So right now you have forked it from Kevin17bot and exactly everything got into your repository. The original creator is Kevin17bot, but you have created a replica version of it into your account. So if I go to unknown fellow and I see there's in your report, in an overview, you can see everything in your repositories. You can simply see My Flower Garden. Okay, so flowers.txt, great, see all these things. So right now you want to download this project. So how are you supposed to do that? So go to code. So you can simply clone it with HTTPS. So I'll copy, and go to the folder or the directory you want to have this. Suppose you want to have a new folder, flower project. Go and open git bash. Now before typing git init, you have to git clone and then copy the link you have, paste, I'm sorry, enter. So it's gonna clone it. Great, it is done cloning. So My Flower Garden, you can go into this and you see there's already a .git initialized because it has been downloaded from GitHub. So from GitHub there's already a version control history has been added to in here, so you can see the files are also same. So you can open the flower text. See, you have these few flowers. So I'm going to open the git bash in here. Let's get started with git status. No branch. Okay, so let us make some changes. So I want to add some new flowers. So water lily. And okay, I guess that's it. I'll save it. Now close it. So let's see what happened. Okay, so I have to add it. Git add dot get commit m. Okay. Wait, so nothing to commit, so I'm done. So I actually have added something else into the project. It's an open source project. First of all, I forked it, created a version of it into my own account, and then I downloaded it, and then I've made an edit and I've committed it. right now I'm going to push this into GitHub to my own directory of this my flower garden. So if I push it, I'm sorry, git push origin master. Let's take some time. Great. So git status, nothing to commit. So I'm going to come to this GitHub. Let's see what happened. Okay, so I have a new flower, committed 1 minute ago, flower text. So water lily has been added. So this piece of adding has been added to your repository, but not in the Kevin's one. See, let's go. This is the Kevin's repository. Let's refresh it. It's still same for the Kevin, like the previous one. So how you're supposed to let know Kevin that okay, I have made some changes and I want this update to your repository too, and that is pull request. So this, you have to press this pull request, and right now create new pull request. You can also do it by new pull request, but it's basically the same. Okay, so it's comparing changes. So look closely. The base repository is kevin.myflowergarden, and the head repository, it's you, and you're gonna merge it. You actually are gonna request it. So that's a pull request. So this is the change. That's the plus sign and the green line. So create pull request. So that's the comment you're making. And actually, let me. Okay, so create pull request. So you have made a pull request, which means you have requested to Kevin17 bot that in your My Flower Garden I made some changes and I want this change to be added to your repository. So let's see what he says. So when Kevin opens his account, okay, I'm sorry, when Kevin opens his account, refresh it, he can see this pull request. See, there's a notification in here, so he can see this pull request. So added a new flower, that's the comment. Oh, he clicks it. So there you go, unknown fellow commented 40 seconds ago, I felt like adding a new flower, hope you will like it. Okay, great. So if you feel like okay, I'm happy with it, but you have to see it first. Exactly. So that's the file changed. Files changed. There it is. So if you feel like this, you accept it. If you accept it, then you're gonna simply review changes. There are multiple things to do. You can leave a comment, and then you can request changes, you can comment, you can approve it. So I'm gonna comment this. Thank you so much. Suppose Kevin liked it so much, please contribute to it and share with your friends. So Kevin liked it and approved it. Submit review. So now finally he merged pull request. Is there any option? He can also rebase it, but let me just merge pull request. Confirm. Great. So it has been merged. So it has been merged. So the changes made by unknown fellow has been accepted by Kevin. So let me see the code in Kevin's repository. Flowers. It got changed. So water lily got added in Kevin's repository too. Great. So you have actually contributed to the open source by download. First you have to fork it, then you have to download it from Git, then you have to make some changes from the basic ways I've showed you in previous videos, and then you have to push it, and then you have to pull request. That's a lot of work, I know, but that's how it happens. On the other hand, if there's a short sort of things that you don't have to, you really don't have to use anything complicated like Git. You can also do one other thing. After forking, you can simply go to it. This is the unknown fellows account. You can go into here. If there's 1 or 2 lines of code, you don't have to simply download it. So you can use this edit file. So you can edit another file, which is yellow rose. I'm sorry. I can't think of any flowers right now. So okay. So colors. So commit. So you have done it. So again, you can pull request. It's basically the same. I'm just making some that are basically the same. Just showing you again and again and again. Create pull request. I'm sorry. Okay, let's just not waste any time. So yes, it's been done, and if he accepts it, oh my god, I'm just doing it for time. See, there's a new pull request. So okay, also thought of adding colors, and he likes it. Confirm. Great, it also got added. So Kevin bought my flower garden. Great, so yellow rose. So this is it. I guess this explains a lot of things. This will help you actually to collaborate with your teammates in any project using Git or GitHub. You can, the basics I've showed to you, you can use it for multiple projects in any sort of big project. I've shown you how to do with this online editor and also the Git bash command prompt. So thank you so much for staying around with me, and I'm extremely sorry for my awful background environment noise, and I actually couldn't fix it, but I'm sorry. So I hope this helps. Thank you so much.